So, within the context of a TMS, right? What can a TMS do? What are some of the features or capabilities that a TMS can bring to help shippers, help carriers claw back some of that time?
Another great question. I'd say a fantastic example of how TMS technology, can be employed to that ends is the advanced scheduling module that, UltraShip TMS built and deployed back in, I think, the first quarter of 2017. The primary purpose of this particular solution that we built was to reduce the hours that drivers were going to be spent waiting to be loaded or unloaded at pick up and drop off locations, sitting idle in detention while their daily allocation of service hours just was frittered away, pushing things into the next day, and so on. The hours the carriers spend waiting to be loaded or unloaded, that's hours that your freight's not moving through the supply chain. So it seemed really appropriate in our minds to focus on solutions that would minimize or even eliminate that wasted time. As always, we like to focus here at UltraShip TMS on delivering technology that's very flexible and it meets and accommodates the very specific needs of each customer and the unique contours of their network. Too often logistics IT providers deliver, I don't want to say cookie cutter solutions, but fairly rigid solutions which don't really work hand in glove with the shipper's needs, and of course, more importantly, don't emphasize addressing those real world necessities that face other stakeholders in the supply chain process, like carriers, for example. Carriers are just one of those stakeholders that are frequently overlooked. But for this solution, we build it to help shippers be better, more collaborative partners, the warehouses, other facets of their supply chain. Our guys worked hard to deliver the automation of pickup and delivery schedule for shipments inbound between vendors and shippers, or outbound between shippers and the shipper's customers. The solution that we produced allows transportation planners, or in some cases it can be sales reps or even the customers themselves, to view centralized scheduling interface that's built into the TMS application. As loads are planned, pickup and delivery times can be selected from a calendar that shows all the available pickup and delivery times at each discrete location. As the slots are chosen and selected and removed, they're removed in real time from that centralized calendar. More importantly, from the flexibility standpoint, if shipments get detained in transit, for example, those schedules can be reassigned, replacing the slot that was missed, grabbing a new slot, ensuring that the timely loading and unloading happens according to new recalculated ETAs. It even supports the automation of individual dock door scheduling, which can help DCs better plan their labor resource allocation and increase throughput, all of which results in clawing back some of that time. Our shippers who've implemented advanced scheduling in 2017 are today reporting that they're more attractive to carriers who understandably are going to gravitate toward accepting loads from shippers who are more respectful and mindful of their time. Plus, they gain the added benefits that come from the visibility into carrier performance in terms of pickup and delivery, which helps further improve planning, even down to the individual location level. And that results in increasing efficiency and helps claw back some of those savings.